Hi everybody. Well, it's Chris on location. What it is I don't know if it's thievery, larceny, or incompetence about this estimate I got on my mother's truck. My mother has an RX350, and we basically wanted to. Well, it had a check engine light. I'm a couple hours away. I couldn't, plug it in. I couldn't read it, so she went to the dealership, and they said it was coil number 4 on her Lexus. It's a 6-cylinder. What is it? 2GR motor. And I'm sitting there going, okay, but for one coil, they say you should replace all of them, but for one coil, the estimate was $1,363.47 to replace one coil. And they recommended doing all 6. And then, if you do all 6, it's, they charge just the spark plugs. And it says intake gaskets, with intake gaskets, because the intake needs to be removed. $664.23 is their estimate to replace the spark plugs on this. Well, the thing is, if they replace the ignition coils, why are they charging her $664 extra for pulling off all the intake gaskets? So they're double charging. That was their estimate. How much of a shyster can you actually are? I can't believe it. Now let me show you how hard. It's really difficult to change coil number 4 in this. I went and got this at the Toyota dealership in Nashua. On their website, they were having a special. I got it for $83. Generally, I would buy a Denso from like Harbor Freight. I mean, not Rock Auto or something like that for $50, But we needed it the next day, so I got this. And another thing is, what they said, if you went to the Toyota dealership to get the price, it's $121. And they say you have to buy it on the website in order to get that price. How ridiculous is that? I use PayPal. It costs them more, to do that. But whatever. Let me show you exactly how hard it is. And it's one of these things where it's pretty difficult. See, you have to actually pull this cover off, which is pretty nasty. Then you have to push this tab and pull this clip off and drop your impact gun. Then you have to push this wire over and remove the coil. Now this is the next really difficult portion of it. You have to open the bag from the original coil, or from the new coil, which is put together with an awful lot of bubble wrap. Now, we have this brand new coil. Keep an eye on this. This is difficult. We have to push it into the cam cover. We have to put the bolt on the cylinder head. And don't forget, this is pretty harsh. You have to connect the coil plug to the coil, and you have to make sure you don't leave the coil on the engine. You bring this over, put this on. This is difficult. Push down. That's it. Have a great day.